Today, I also discuss the different type of the questions based on the lines and angles and triangles. So, given that the question is that where the A, B, C, D, the two triangles are adjacent to each other. Angle 1 is equal to 53 degree, 2 is equal to 65, and 3 is equal to 43. Then find the value of x and y. So first of all, we take y equals to angle 3 plus 3 plus angle y plus 3 plus 90 degree बराबर 180. In triangle ECD, sum of angle property of triangle. So y equal to 180 minus angle 3 is equal to 43 degree plus 90 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 133. So y is equal to 47 degree. In triangle ABC, exterior angle ACD equals to angle 1 plus angle x. Exterior angle of triangle B equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So angle ACD equals to angle y plus angle 2 equals to angle 1 plus angle x. So y equals to 47 degree, angle 2 is equal to 65 degree बराबर 1 equals to 53 plus angle x. So x is equal to 59 and y is equal to 47. Next, the different type of the questions where the L parallel to M, N parallel to O, and a line AOB is the bisector of angle COE. Means both angles are equal. Assign as the y. Where is the x? So find the value of y in the term of x. No any value will be find, just represent angle form of x. So how to find it? First of all, you just 1, 2, 3, 4. You just assign it. So angle 1 equals to angle x, corresponding angle. L parallel to M and N is transversal. Angle 3 equals to angle 1 equals to x. So angle alternate interior angle when n parallel to O and M is transversal. So angle 4 equals to 180 degree minus angle 3 by the linear pair. So angle 4 equals to 180 degree minus x 4 equals to y equal to 180 minus x. So y equals to 1 by 2 180 minus x, or y is equal to 90 minus x by 2.
1.
Next question is x y z is the triangle x y z. O y and O z be angle bisector. Of angle x y z and angle x z y, where angle x equals to 62 degree and angle x y z is equal to 54 degree. So find angle 1 and angle 2. X y z is the triangle. O y and O z is the angle bisector of y and z, or x y z is 54 degree. So find the value of angle 1 and angle 2. So in triangle x y z, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. X is equal to 62, y is equal to 54, and angle z equals to 180 degree minus 116 degree. So angle z is equal to 64 degree. In triangle O Y Z, angle O plus angle O Y Z plus angle O Z Y is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle O, also written at angle 2 plus OYZ is equal to 54 by 2 plus, or we simply say that OYZ is equal to half of angle y plus OZY is equal to half of angle z is equal to 180 degree, because OY and OZ be angle bisector. So angle 2 plus 1 by 2 of y is 54 by 2 plus z 64 by 2 बराबर 180 degree. So So angle 2 equals to 27 plus 32 बराबर 180 डिग्री. So angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 59 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 120. That type of the questions given in competitive examinations, you just directly use as angle 2 is equal to sir 1 by 90 plus 1 by 2 of angle x is equal to 90 plus 62 by 2, 90 plus 31 बराबर 120. But in a examinations with full steps we do the next question. A triangle ABC is a right angle at A. L is a point on BC such that AL perpendicular to BC. So prove that angle BAL equals to angle ACB. So you just draw a figure. Question is that right angle at A. So we just written assign the A, B, C. Again, L is the point on a BC such that AL perpendicular to BC, means you just draw a perpendicular line L. So L is the point on BC and AL is the perpendicular of BC. So find the value, prove that angle BAL means that angle equals to ACB. Solution. First in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle ABC. A 90 degree plus B also written that B. Angle C is written that ACB is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB equals to 180 minus 90 minus angle B. Angle ACB equals to 90 minus angle ACB. Value is that 90 minus angle B. In triangle ABL, angle BAL plus angle ALB plus angle B is equal to 180 degree also. Angle sum property of triangle BAL. So BAL equals to 180 degree minus ALB. ALB means 90 degree minus angle B. So also written that angle BAL is equal to 90 minus B. We written that angle BAL equals to angle ACB from equation 1 and that's the proof. Next question is that find the angle whose supplement angle is 4 times of its complement angle. So all of you students, we know very well what is the supplement angle and what is the complement angle. Sum of the two angle A plus B is equal to 180, that is the supplement, and angle A plus angle B is if x plus y is equal to 90, so that is the complement and that is the supplement. What do you get that? The find the angle whose supplement angle is 4 times of its complement angle. Let the angle be x degree, so its supplement angle be 180 minus x, because sum of the two angle will 180 is if one angle is x, so second angle is 180 minus x. Complement angle of x is equal to 90 minus x. Both angles are supplement of which? Angle x. Supplement angle of x be 180 minus x. Complement angle of x be 90 minus x. According to questions, what we say that whose the supplement angle? Whose supplement angle is 180 minus x equals to 4 times its complement, 4 times of its complement. Then solve it. 360 minus 4x. By the transposition method, minus x plus 4x is equal to 360 minus 180. So 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 60 degree. Then we check it. Angle is 60 degree, means its complement angle equals to 90 minus x is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. Its supplement angle 180 minus x is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. So that the relation is the 4 times. So your answer will be the correct. Next question is that find the measure of an angle if 7 times its complement angle. How many times? 7 times of its complement angle be 10 degree less than 3 times of its supplement angle. Let the angle be x. Its complement angle be 90 minus x. Its supplement angle of x equals to 180 minus. So according to questions, 7 times its complement. 7 times its complement is equals to the 10 less than the 3 times of its supplement minus 10, or anyone say that 90 minus x plus 10 equals to 180 minus x, or 3 times of 180 minus x minus 7 times of complement angle is equal to x. We use both, all the three equations, either we first or you just use any equations to solve that the solutions. All are the same. First, 7 times of the complement angle is less than 3 times of the, so if we minus the supplement angle, be equals to the complement angle. Next, if we added the 10 degree, because that is the less than, if we added the 10 degree on its complement angle, then also equals to that supplement angle. The difference between the supplement angles and the complement angles equals to 10 degree. So if anyone will use, so first of all we use that, again we change it that, because the 10 will be the transpose here. If that is the transfer here, so anyone we use, first of all we use the 790 minus x equals to 3, 2 into 90 minus x minus 10. So 7 into 90 minus 7x, 6 into 90 minus 3x minus 10. Put the 7 into 90 minus 6 into 90 plus 10 equals to minus 3x plus 7x. So 90 plus 10 equals to 4x. So x is equal to 100 by 4. So x is equal to 20. Then to check it, if x is the angle, so complement angle be 90 minus x is equal to 90 minus 25 is equal to 65. 7 times of 65 supplement angle 180 minus x, so 180 minus 25 is equal to 155. 3 into 155 so the difference between the 465 minus 455 is equal to 20.